Hey guys, I'm not sure if I've ever done this really, but I'm on Vehicle Simulator right now, and I've been on this. I've played this game a lot, guys. Like I used to be into it a lot. So I go Bugatti. That's one of my favorites, and now there's favorites. This is all really new to me. I'm gonna have this jet plane. So if you haven't, so we need to go shift. Guys, I really haven't played this in a really long time. So, I don't know what the police would do. So, it's not winter anymore. I mean, it is, but helicopters? It's pretty cool. I don't know why I said he. So, I think... What's that? What's this? This has never really been here. Oh my. Also, it puts you down. That's what it does to me. Yeah, so I've never... This is kind of just a random video, because I've literally never done this. And, yeah. No. Oh my gosh, you can hit space to get out. That's awesome. There you go. Here we go, guys. Is this supposed to do something? Oh my. Ooh, these are some steep roads, guys. Ooh, we're just, oh man, we couldn't make it up. Come on. Come on, guys, we're gonna hit with the shift. Ooh, shift. Oh, it doesn't have enough engine power. Come on, we're gonna try to go up the side. Oof, it's tough. It's really tough. I think I can make it though. Ooh, giving it everything I got. Ooh, man, guys. Okay, we're trying. Okay, we're reversing. Okay, we have to do it. Oh, there we go, guys. Ooh, we're falling. Yeah. Ooh, this is some... I've never seen this, guys. This is probably really new. Ooh, some very steepness. I don't know if you die if you're on this, but... Shift, come on. Ooh, guys, this is actually pretty steep, because my Ram can't go up this, and this is a Dodge, I think. Come on, guys, come on. Ooh, hit shift. Oh, guys, we just did it. Okay. Oh, no. Okay, here we go. So we're going to get in the Bugatti. Ooh. And then we're just going to head up and almost get out. So here we go. What we're going to do here is Tesla, guys. You know what? Tesla first. This is my first car, actually, ever. And it's actually pretty nice. I mean, like, raise your hand if you like it. Like, who wouldn't raise their hand? Like, I like it, so. You guys don't like it? Oh, no. We want to move along with the vehicle, guys. Move along with the vehicle. There we go. Here we go, guys. We're going to hit this jump right here. Oof. I think we missed that. I'm not sure, though. Here we go. Oh, no. See? Here we go. This Tesla can make it up this shift. Ooh. The engine power, guys. The engine power. This is just a random video, okay? So I didn't make a video in 2 days because I have homework. Oh, I think we did it. I don't know what this is supposed to mean, though. So that's something new. I've really never seen it. Ooh, and these roads are just shifty. Oof. Oh, can we make it up now? No cars can make it up. Maybe the Bugatti, I'm not sure. Ooh, shift. Oh, geez, that was... All I had to do was keep going up that slide. We can do that. Now, this. Oof, this is actually pretty shifty. I see why. Ooh, Tesla. The Tesla, guys. Freaking Tesla's having a hard time making it up here. So we didn't go fast enough on that one. Now we know that we have to go right about here. Oh, I should have made that. Okay, whatever. So this is just a random video on Vehicle Simulator. Let's see how fast I can go in this Tesla. Yeah, guys, look at this Tesla. It can reach up to really fast speeds. And actually got this for pretty cheap. Kind of when the game kind of just started. Well, not really, but it was pretty new at that time. They didn't have crates or anything like that. Anyway, guys, I'm just kind of hope you enjoyed. I mean, this was kind of random. I literally couldn't find anything else to write about, and I just had a commenter I had a guy in the comments say that you should play Vehicle Simulator. And this is basic. I've played it before, guys. I'm just not really a big fan. And I've almost $1 million. And let's check out the. I mean, I played it a little bit. I mean, this. Okay, let's go beat him in our roaster, guys. I've had this thing forever. And I'll show you my Bugatti because I don't think I've shown you guys that. I can't remember if I've made a video, guys. Ooh, shift. Ooh, hit that brake. Hit the brake. The space is the brake, just so you guys know on me. Look at them brakes. Yeah, you wouldn't. My mic just fell. Okay. Oh, well, oops, I guess. Right? There's not much we can do. So this Tesla is actually really fast. Ah, there's my squish. Now, if this doesn't beat him, then I'm sorry, but guys, I'm gonna have to pull up the Bugatti. That guy's really fast. This guy's. What is it? Okay, come on. Bugatti. Ew. No, come on, Bugatti. Spawn the Bugatti. Boy, you think you're faster than me? He probably is. I'm not sure. Well, maybe. Get in. Come on. Get in. I don't know why, guys, but this is literally... No. Is that YD Man? Is that Wild Man right there? Oh, he's not even his own vehicle. Is that Wild Man though? That Wild Man right there? Ew, you're getting this sucky plane, huh? Kid, I bought the helicopter. If vroom vroom Guys, this is literally just, yes, look at the burnouts. No, no. Now, what is happening? Come on. Oh no, I fell. Dang it, little face. Oh no, it didn't. No. I didn't, guys. I can still get him. You just have to hit C. No. What am I doing? Hit C again, hit C again, hit C again, hit C again. And hit C one more time. Is he taking off? Don't let him take off. Don't freaking let him take off. No. 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 Dude, you're not still, so I don't know what I'm doing. This is literally the fun video. Don't let him go, guys. Don't. I'm not letting this guy go. I'm not letting him go. No, 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 no. This guy's gonna blow up. He blew up. He's dead. What a dummy. Ooh, that's a nice thing. Nice. So guys, watch. And this is how to actually kill a person. So yeah, here we go. And kind of kill yourself because yeah, wow. Oof, guys. So here we go. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go here. I'm gonna go to herbs, I think. Let's go and let's see specs. Literally killed him. Oh my gosh, guys. No, I'm gone. LOL. It was a joke. It was a joke. Okay, let me get a pick of up, guys. Hope you enjoyed. That was kind of funny. I'm gonna get him in my Tesla because still. The U, W. The W. That's my name. Wild God tier. Oh my gosh, guys, we're gonna find this God tier. Oh my god, guys, we're gonna find it. A God tier dropped, guys. A God tier literally just dropped. And it will tell us who finds it, guys. So hopefully we can find it. Because you know what? I'm actually not that bad at finding God tiers. Because you know, I'm a boss. And I don't care how long this video takes, I'm gonna find that God tier. Come on, just go. Go. What is wrong with this? Why is it not going? Okay, fine. It takes a long time, I guess. And then we're just gonna hit F, but it may glitches everywhere, so yeah, that's why I should use my plan. Oh my god, guys. Our dear still. What? This guy found it? No, he did not. He did not, guys. He's a liar. He's a liar. Let's just hope he's a liar. Let's hope he's a liar. So I bet you he said that because he wanted to find it, but hasn't. And you usually know where they drop. So control. Why am I hitting control? Shift. I think it would tell us if he did, guys. So we'll just check everywhere. And if we don't find it, then he did find it. That really sucks. I mean, it really sucks if he did. Because, you know, I want a God tier. No, he did not. I just saw him. That was in his car. He did not, guys. He's still looking for it. People just do that. Just say, oh, I want the God tier, so they'll just say, I found it, you guys need to stop looking. And it works like you can just, you know, everybody's looking. I think if anybody's thinking it, I think I'm right. Just because, oh my god, I just found it. Oh my god, guys, it's us. Oh my. Really? I don't think this is a god tier. Is this the god tier? Guys. Oh my god, guys. Did that seriously just... Did we... No, I did that. So, I can't... We just need to forget about just what happened. Just exactly what happened. We just need to forget about it, guys. That's it. Not even a problem. That has nothing to do with fight. All I did. It's really hard to find a god tier in plane. I mean, no. In a vehicle. Like, it's hard to find any kind of crate in a vehicle. Once I came across one, didn't feel like getting it. And the other guy beside me just went up there and got it. Nah. Guys, I truthfully, I think it's gone, guys. I really do, guys. I can't find it. Come on, God, dude. Oh, jeez. Thought that was the I found it. He didn't really find it, guys. Because it would say, because it's a god tier, it would tell us if he found it. Because god tiers are like big crates. Not big, they're just... Oh my, I see it, I saw it. Oh my gosh, guys, oh my gosh, here we go, guys. Here we go, we need to get this. Oh my god, guys, we just got the god tier. Here we go. Yes! I did it, guys. Did it. You lied. He did lie. Bam! Bam! Guys. Oh my god. Now we're gonna open this on camera, guys. You know what? Guys, we're not gonna open this today. This is gonna be like something that I open like... Let's see how many likes I got, guys. I'm just gonna check my phone real quick. Here we go, guys. Here we go. I have 18 subs, guys. I mean, no, let me see my likes, though. About... I have 18 subs, guys. You can subscribe. I will open this crate. I will. I really will, guys. Just all you gotta do, guys, is literally just subscribe. It's that easy. It's literally that easy, guys. It's that freaking easy. Okay? It's freaking. It's that easy, yo. It's that easy, guys. I'm being serious. Okay? So, yeah, guys, just subscribe, and that's basically it, guys. That's all you have to do. Subscribe. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this. That's really all I got to say, guys. I'm just hoping, guys, we can hit it. And so that's it, guys. I really do hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. And if I can find my channel. Okay, there it is, guys. Finally. Because I wasn't looking, I wasn't searching it up, trying to find it. Oh my gosh, guys. I have 19 subs. I have 19 subs, guys. I have 19 subs. Oh my gosh. Just one of you guys subscribe, and I will be opening this crate. Okay, I will be opening this crate. All I need is one more subscriber, guys. That's it, guys. Come on, you guys can hit this like goal. I mean, not like goal. But seriously, guys, come on. Just, yes. I mean, I'll open this God tier, guys. I'll open the God tier, okay? I promise. Like I said if I get 20 subscribers, I'm gonna do that sleigh thing. Guys, I can't. It's upgraded, and now you have to have the snowmobile. And guys, I'm not even close. $500,000. I'm at $34,000. So I basically hope you enjoyed, I guess. But anyway, guys, come on, just one more sub, guys. One more sub. You guys can do this. I mean, obviously. Just subscribe. You guys don't have to turn on the bell. Just subscribe. I really, really need this subscribers. So anyway, guys, bye. And that's going to be it for this video. Bye, guys.